The journey begins.
At dawn, Finn quietly swam away from the familiar parts of the river. The water was calm at first, and the journey seemed easy. Along the way, Finn marveled at the changing scenery. The river widened, the plants grew taller, and the water sparkled under the rising sun. After some time, Finn came across a wise old turtle basking on a rock. "Where are you headed, little fish?" asked the turtle, noticing Finn's determined expression. "To the great ocean," Finn replied confidently. The turtle chuckled softly. "Many have tried, but few have made it. The journey is long and filled with dangers. Why leave the safety of the river?" "I want to see what lies beyond," Finn said. "Even if it's hard, I want to know what the great ocean is like." The turtle smiled. "Courage isn't about being fearless, little one. It's about facing your fears and learning from them. Remember this, trust yourself, and never lose hope." Finn thanked the turtle and continued swimming, feeling both nervous and excited. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe for more videos.